So we're going to take some of this into, into meditation, into the quiet. At some point during meditation, there will be a span of being silent. And what I want you to do is I don't want you to try to go anywhere. I just want you to sit with it. Notice what comes up. Notice how the brain goes. Notice what you feel in your body. Notice what's uncomfortable. Notice how, whatever comes up in the brain, whatever thoughts come up, whatever they are, it's all welcome at the Advent table. All of it is welcome at the Advent table. So if you're comfortable, you can close your outer eyes. For some people, it's a little more comfortable to leave them open or lower their gaze onto a soft gaze. Lower it to something in front of you, whether you're online or here in person, lower the gaze. For some people, there's more of a sense of groundedness by just having the eyes a little bit open. Let's do a collective act of solidarity, breathing in, feel it fill the body, and then exhale, emptying the body. Move your awareness through the body, from the head, slowly down through the shoulders and the arms, the torso, the hips, the knees down to the feet. And as you scan through your body, notice if there's places of contraction. Notice if there's places of stiffness, maybe a little sore. Just notice. Notice if there are places that feel content, at rest, expanded. And just notice. Don't change anything. And then become aware of emotions. There may be some emotions that have been stirred. Curiosity, sadness, calm, accept that whatever there is, that is where you are starting from. All is welcome at the Advent table. Let your breathing be easy and natural. You do not need to change the rhythm of your breath. Just notice what is alive. Notice what is alive in physical sensations. Notice what is alive with emotions. Notice them with generous and tender attention. And with your next inhale, open to whatever you are experiencing. Open to whatever you're experiencing in life. Whether it feels comfortable or maybe like a challenge. But just experiencing it without fighting. If there's any tension or within, let go of that battle. Breathe quietly and allow it to be. Notice what is uncomfortable, perhaps, in the body, in the mind. What thoughts might I be fighting in my mind? Even the idea that I should be thinking something else. Let that go. Let go of the battle. Breathe quietly and just allow it to be. Notice any struggles in your mind. Notice any living walls that might have emerged this morning. Places we may have been ignoring. We all have living walls of one degree or another. Some might be very small, some may be very big. But listen to those living walls. Whatever they have to say is welcome here, is welcome at our Advent table. Because we are designed to love all of this harder, which means more depth, more clarity, more expansively. To not move away, but move forward. Let's take a moment in the quiet to listen to the living walls. In the quiet, in the silence, in the stillness. And gently, very gently, with openness, allow every experience, whatever its texture, whatever its meaning, allow it to be present. Turn to it with curiosity, with tenderness, and with kindness. Let your body, your heart, and your mind be soft. Breathe quietly. Let yourself be at rest. Enjoy every part of yourself. And invite all of you to this Advent table, to this Advent altar, where we are in the dark, where we embody a communal womb, where we be silent and we wait, knowing that Advent is always arriving. And so it is. Amen.